Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the Blackburne Shilling Trap. In this trap, black intentionally violates all basic opening principles to catch white off guards. This trap arises from a variation of the Italian game or gioco piano. Let's take a look at the key moves together. The game starts with e4, e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, followed by bishop c4. This is the configuration of the Italian game. Now, black plays a surprising and unconventional move, knight d4. This is a very unusual move and must proceed carefully. If white captures the pawn on e5, we can activate our trap. White's idea is to attack the pawn on f7, threatening the fork, the queen, and the rook. However, this plan plays directly into black's strategy as it opens the door for a strong counterattack. Black can respond with queen g5, creating immediate threats. As we can see, the knight on d4 and the pawn on g2 are both under attack, creating a significant problem for white. If white tries to continue the attack with knight f7 capturing the pawn, it may seem like white has the upper hand, forking the rook and the queen at the same time. However, if black captures with the queen the pawn on g2, white is in serious trouble. In this position, white will be forced to move the rook, as capturing it with the queen will lead to a checkmate. For example, after white moves the rook, black can deliver a devastating check with the queen on e4, putting the king under pressure. At this point, white has limited options. For example, white cannot block the check with the queen on e2 in this way, because we will capture with the knight. And for example, the only move that left for the white is defending with bishop in e2. But this is not an option, because allow black to deliver a beautiful checkmate using the knight, because this bishop is pinned by the queen, and so it's over for white. I'd like to share with you some more consideration about this trap we just saw, in particular after the knight on d4. For white to proceed with attacking on e5 is a big blunder, because it risks taking mate or certainly losing a piece if black develops queen g5. So the best move for white in this position is capture the knight on d4, and after that black recapture, and now white has a better pawn structure than black, as we can see.